PB equals to 1 minus PC, 1 minus 3 by 7, 4 by 7. So probability of that he will use a bicycle is 4 by 7. Next, it is known that a box of 600 electric bulbs, in a box of 600 electric bulbs, it will contain 12 defective bulbs. One bulb is taken out at random from this box. What is the probability that it is non-defective bulb? Quite simple. See here, total is 600, defective is 12, so remaining non-defective is what? 600 minus 12, 588. So what is required? We require non-defective, right? So probability of non-defective equals to required upon total, 588 upon 600, right? 98 upon 100, right? Equals to 0.98. That's the answer. Next, two customers Shyam and Ekta are visiting a particular shop in the same week, Tuesday to Saturday. Each is equally likely to visit a shop on any one day as on another. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on different days? See here, there are 5 days given: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay. So Shyam and Ekta, they can visit the shop on any day. Now we want to find the probability that they won't be visiting the shop on the same day. Okay. So plot them. Shyam on this side, y-axis, Ekta on x-axis, and then TT. So Shyam on Tuesday, Ekta on Tuesday, TT. Shyam on Tuesday, Ekta on Wednesday, TW. Shyam on Tuesday, Ekta on Thursday. Similarly others, right? So total number of outcomes are what? 25. 5 year, 5 year. 5 5 are 25. Okay, both can visit the shop in 25 days. Out of that, together is what? See here, TT, WW, TS, TH, FF and SS. Only these are the days when they are together. Other days they are not together. So not together means what? 25 minus 5, right? Together is 5, so not together, 25 minus 5, 20. So required is what? Not together, because we want on different days, right? So 20 upon 25, 4 by 5 is the answer. Next, 250 log. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.